Hey, Drew James here. I'm really excited to tell you that I am going to be doing 2 live guitar teaching workshops at the UK Guitar Show, which is at the Olympia in London. Now, this is happening on the 29th and the 30th of September, and I'm really stoked, mainly because I'm going to be on the same stage as some of my idols. So Misha Mansour's going to be there, Justin Guitar from justinguitar.com is going to be there, and I'm just chuffed to be invited, and even more chuffed that maybe I'll get to meet some of you guys as well. So if you can make it down there, it'd be really good to see you. Once again, it's on the 29th and the 30th of September. I'm going to be doing workshops on rhythm guitar and fingerstyle guitar. You can get a 20% off your ticket by using the code DREW20. I've included a link in this video. Looking forward to seeing you there. Let's get on with the lesson. So on and so on and so forth until you eventually die. Okay, so that is the Tetris theme, and I woke up this morning with that just going round and round in my head, and I thought, I've got to get this out of my head, so I'm going to tab it out and I'm going to teach a lesson for it. So here I am. You can get the tab to this completely for free by joining the Learn Guitar in London area student area. You can just do that with a name and email address. I've left a link in the video and a link in the video description, so you can do that. I'm going to teach this to you to completely exercise this 90s theme tune out of my head before I hear the Super Mario Brothers theme. So let's start learning it now. So as I mentioned, if you grab the tab or the guitar music from learnguitarinlondon.com, it will make learning this a little bit easier to take in. So quite simply, the guitar has 6 strings, and each string is labelled Eddie A Dynamite Good by Eddie, E A D G B E. For this song, we use no more than the D, G, B and E strings. You don't even need those top strings. Now I'm going to be playing this with a plectrum. You could use your thumb if you wanted to. If you don't have a plectrum, it really makes no difference. A little tip I'm going to give you if you are playing with a plectrum is take this part of your palm. Okay, let me show you on this camera. So take this part of your palm and lay it close onto the strings, and try putting your little finger on the body of the guitar so that you can stay really close to the strings. So you're not sort of floating your hand. Okay, on second camera, when it comes into focus, you'll be able to see me doing that. I'm just sort of keeping my hand locked down. There you go, you can see that there. Okay, so the beginning. Okay, so starting on open on the thinnest string, open on the string above. Open just means not holding anything down. So E, open on B, then first fret on B, use your index finger, please, and then ring finger, using your ring finger on 3rd fret on B. You may be thinking, well, Drew, why don't I just move a finger around? The question is, why would you need to move a finger around when this finger is closer? Okay, so if it's closer, it makes it easier to do. Then go to 1, back on the B, then open. So you've got then 2nd fret on the G string with the middle finger, 2nd fret again, 1st fret on the B, then open on the thinnest. So from the beginning. Then 1st fret on the B, then open on the E, 3rd fret on the B, 1st fret on the B. So this is bar 2. From the beginning, and. Okay, well done. Good, you're getting it. Next, bar. So open on B, open on B again, then first fret on B, then open on E. Then back to first fret on B, and then 2 second frets on G. From the beginning, and. Okay, good. Next 2 bars go like this. So, 3rd fret on B, 1st fret on E, then 5th fret. Now, you can slide this, but it is optional, up to 5th fret, which is up here. Now, I like to slide from the 3rd fret on the thinnest string to the 5th fret up here. Now to do a slide, just keep the pressure down on the string and feel it sort of grate under your finger. It may hurt if you don't have a callus at first, but that's the sound you want to get. Rather than going, you want, okay? Then back to 3, then to 1, then open on the thinnest twice, then 1 on the B, then open on thinnest, then 3 on the B, first on the B. Good, then open on B, open on B. Sorry, that's the next bit, but let me just recap bars 5 and 6 for you, slowly. Then the next 2 bars go like this. So you go open on B again, 1st fret on the B, open on E, 1st fret on B, then 2 second frets on G. This is actually the same as bars 3 and 4, so 7 and 8, 3 and 4 are the same. Then it repeats. And then the next part, open on thinnest, 1st on B, 3rd on B, open on B, 1st on B, 2nd on G, 1st on G. New note, we haven't had that before. Let's do that again. And then the next line is open on E, 1st on B, 3rd on B, open on B, 2nd on G, open on B, 1st on B, 5 on E, then 4 on E. Putting that all together from bar 13, or the last line. Okay, and then you're round in a circle. So on and so forth. So it just goes round and round and round. I really hope you've enjoyed that. It's a really fun riff, especially if you're a beginner. Don't forget this technique I told you about, keeping this hand on the top 3 strings to keep you close. If you're using your thumb, then you're not going to be doing that, but at least try anchor pointing something on the body so you stay nice and close. Keep on playing. Really hope you enjoyed it.